everyone! Let's attempt to make something delicious today.
Today we'll be making Char Siu Chinese barbecue pork. For the ingredients, you will need 500 grams of pork belly, 3 tablespoons of sugar, half a tablespoon of 5-spice, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, pinch of pepper, a pinch of salt, quarter cup of soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing wine, half a tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of Hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 block of red bean curd and 2.5 tablespoons of liquid that the red bean curd is preserved in. This ingredient is optional, but if you'd like the traditional Char Siu red colour, you can add half a teaspoon of red food colouring instead. Marinate the pork belly for at least a few hours. Preheat the oven with gas mark 4 and then place the pork belly on a rack into the oven for 15 minutes. Glaze the pork belly with the remaining sauce and put it back in the oven for an additional 10 minutes with gas mark 5. After 10 minutes, flip the pork belly over and glaze them again and put them back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Glaze them one last time and cook for a further 10 minutes and then you're ready to serve. And that's how I make Char Siu. Garnish with spring onions and enjoy. Thanks for watching!